Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to install SSD into your laptop. So you're going to need three things for that. One hard disk Caddy, one SSD of your choice, and one screwdriver. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to need is you're going to make sure how to remove DVD drive of your laptop. So for my laptop I need to unscrew these three screws. So I will do that. Okay, I forgot to remove the battery. So first remove the battery, then unscrew your all the things. So after removing that panel, you will see your hard disk and one screw that I have to remove so that I can remove my DVD drive. So this is my DVD drive. So before buying a Caddy, first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna go to device driver of your laptop and check for DVD drive, and you will see one serial number. So type that serial number, search on Google, because this CD drive will be of three different depths. One will be 7 mm, 9.5 mm, and 12.7 mm. So mine is 12.7, so make sure you order the right size. So this is my Caddy. So see, there is no head in my Caddy, so I need to take the head from my DVD drive and put it on the Caddy. It will be for decoration purpose only, because it won't serve anything useful, but your laptop will look like final. There won't be any gap in your DVD drive. That's why it's important. So before removing this head, make sure you do it gently, because it is difficult and you may break it. So now I have put the head into my Caddy. Now I will put the SSD into it. So I have bought this crucial 480 GB SSD 3D NAND. You can choose anyone. So I have inserted my SSD into the Caddy. Now one more thing you have to do is see your DVD drive. There is this metal strip with two screws. You're gonna remove this and put it on your Caddy. So I have done it. Now I will put the Caddy into my system. Now screw that one screw. So everything is done. So let's see if it boots up. Put your battery into it and start. So this is the benchmark uh, between my hard disk booting time and SSD booting time. So the left one is the SSD and right one is the hard disk.